Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the motor pulley in your dryer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Pull out the lint filter and place a towel over the opening to prevent the screws from falling into the venting. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the main top to the lint filter housing. Now insert a putty knife under the main top to release the two spring clips. Lift the main top up. Disconnect the door switch wire connector. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the screws, securing the front panel. Lift the front panel up and out to remove. Now reach under the drum and push the idler pulley to release the tension on the belt, then unthread the belt from the idler pulley and motor pulley. You can use the belt to help lift out the drum. Detach the idler pulley from the dryer base and set it aside. Use a 7/16" wrench to secure the motor shaft and pliers to loosen the motor pulley by rotating it counterclockwise. Unthread the old pulley. Install the new motor pulley by threading it clockwise onto the motor shaft. Use the wrench and pliers to tighten. Reposition the idler pulley on the base. Replace the drum by aligning the rim with the felt seal on the rear rollers. Loop the belt around the idler pulley and motor pulley in a zigzag formation. Now rotate the drum to help align the belt. Reinstall the front panel by aligning the front of the drum on the bulkhead while hooking the slots at the bottom of the panel on the mounting clips attached to the frame. Replace the screws to secure the panel. Reconnect the door switch wire. Lower the main top and snap it into position. Thread and tighten the screws to secure the main top to the lint filter housing. Replace the lint filter. With the repair completed, plug the power cord back in, and your dryer should be ready for use.